me, Maya March, and I'm back from my big chop. So this is going to be my first video styling, well, officially styling my natural hair. I did some wash and goes, and then let me see. Yeah, I just did some wash and goes. That was like the wet look. So let's just get started. We're going to be utilizing our curly curl cream. This is one of my favorite products. I only have a little bit of the double butter cream from As I Am. It smells so good. I only got a little bit in here, so we're gonna use what I have left. Some Lotta Body. I really like the Lotta Body. I mean, any foam and mousse would work. I prefer kind of Lotta Body just because it always helped me have like some bomb twist outs when my hair was longer. So this is going to be my first official time styling my short hair. If you haven't seen already, I did a big chop, so go ahead and check out that video. But let's get going. Okay, so what we do first, I'm just going to comb out my hair. And this is freshly washed hair. Next time I'll do it on dry hair so we can see the difference. But I wanted to do it on freshly washed hair this time. So I combed it out. We're getting a little mousse. Put the mousse on. I got the curly curl cream. Taking some of the double butter, and I'm gonna just spray a little oil on it, and just a little bit of Eco. Now this is optional. You do not have to add the Eco styler. I just want to add a little bit. Okay, and you could twist the whole thing, or you could flat twist and then twist it. So I'm just gonna flat twist a little bit of it, and all I'm doing is taking this string and I'm going over it and then grabbing it, taking this string and going under to grab. And I'll show you again in the front. And I'm doing it really tight so it can be really defined. Okay. And voila. And then we get to go to the next one and we just repeat the same thing.
Girl, I see you.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah. You recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, got a curl for a girl.
Okay, and we are finally at the front. Okay. So once again, I'm just taking one piece and putting it under, and taking the next piece and putting it under, and the next piece. So I'm not really trying to teach y'all because I could do a whole video on that, but I'm trying to teach you in a sense. And also, you don't have to do your twist this way. This is like a flat twist. You can do just the whole head as a twist out. It's gonna really give you the same result. I just like twisting my scalp as a flat twist, preferably. And so I'm almost finished with this twist out or whatever, but I wanted to talk about something that was like weighing on my heart or whatever. And it's about seasonal depression. I don't know if people know about what seasonal depression is, but basically it's like where people can fall into depressions based off of the weather. And majority of people usually have seasonal depression around the winter time, like when it gets cold. I just wanted to send some like positive words to people who could be experiencing some type of a form of depression. And I just wanted to say, you know, you are loved. If you really feel like you need to go seek out help, or anything, don't feel afraid to go seek help, and don't not acknowledge your feelings. Like sometimes people don't acknowledge their feelings, and your feelings are very valid and they are worth hearing. Like some people be thinking other people are more special than them, when honestly we're all humans and we are all put on this earth for a special reason, and we're all special and we're all meant to be here for a reason. Nobody's purpose is greater than the next. Some people may contribute more to society, but that does not make that person more special than you. So don't forget to try to do little things to help you stay out of a depression. Make sure you like talk to friends. If you don't talk to friends, make sure you like write in your journal. That can help a lot. And then just taking care of your body for it's like your mental, and then your eating. Eating can contribute to depression. Sometimes when you're not eating healthy, that can cause a depression. So try to incorporate a little bit more fruits and vegetables this season. Like I was doing a client's makeup the other day, and she was talking about how she was like having relationship problems. Like basically her boyfriend had broke up with her, and nothing is wrong with what she said, but she was just saying like it sent her into a depression. And she was saying something like kind of like basically like, you know, to end her life. And that's like really serious. Like I'm telling you, nobody ever is worth you and your sanity. Like that's just one thing I just have to get out there. If you're going through something, regardless if it's something at home or like you know, most girls like the relationship problems, make sure you choose yourself before you choose anything. Like choose yourself over anything. And you gotta go get this bag, and that's just that on that. Okay, period. I'm aspiring to be the best bitch that I always thought I was and that I know I am. You know, minus these twists that's in my hair, but once I take the twist out, it's over. It's over. If your hair is not curly at the end, that's alright. You can do this same style, but you can add perm rise to the end. Or say if you want your hair to be even curlier at the ends, you can utilize perm rise on the ends of your hair. So you'll just take a little baby perm ride and then ride it up, and then let it dry and take it down like that. And then we on our last twist. Hey, why do I? Okay, let me stop dancing. You can't be ugly and doing the most. So I'ma just stay calm. I'm gonna stay humble until, you know, we take these twists out. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm gonna spray just this Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shine Mist on my fingertips to take these twists down. I suggest that you just use any type of oil. It doesn't have to be that one. I just have that on hand. And you just unravel it. Take your time. Do not let it get like all, what is it, frizzy. So, yep. And that's pretty defined. Baby hairs are optional. Like you can just pull your hair back. And look, I got natural baby hairs anyways. They already laying down. And then we're gonna take a big wide tooth comb or a pick. I don't have one right now. And then we're just gonna get at the roots. Not too much, just a little. Like we're gonna lift it up. guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until later, you all. Bye.
You know, how we let it get like this, I don't know. That can't say your soul.